Okay, I got this Euro half cylinder. It's a Dom from Texas Gym. I don't have a key for it. It didn't come with a key, and it looks like somebody might have been into the top of the lock, but let's vise it up here and see what we got. Let's see if that, no, need something a little thinner. Okay, that might work. I believe that's 4. Another click. Another click on 4 and 3. Need a thinner pick. Let's start this over here. We'll do 18 thousandths. Alright, 5, I believe. There's 3, small turn on the core. Click on 2. There's another small turn on the core on 2. Let's check the pins. Small turn on 1. And I believe that was 3. And it's open. Okay. Want to get my new camera out, charge it up, because I've got this bigger table tripod. I've been using one of these little rinky-dinky ones like this. I've already broke 3 of them, but this ain't about cameras and tripods, so let's get what we need. What we got? Let's see. Definitely do not want to lock it back since we don't have a key for it. Got the good old clips. I don't know if I can use this to pry this thing off or not. if it'd be easier just to use. Let's see if the followers will work better. Turn it this way. Guess I'm off thumbs today. There we go. Don't need this stuff no more. I'll use these tweezers this time. Move this out of the way. Move this. Okay. Don't have a key, so all the key pins work, and this one in the middle is really counter milled. They all look counter milled, but that one's a pretty good. So here's one. Whoop, get back in there. Two. Those are sticky. I'm going to clean them off where the kit's new. Threading in all of them. So we got a spool I dropped. I'll get it, but it was a spool. I saw that one. Another type spool. Another, I call it serrated barrels is what I call it. There's another one, kind of looks like an assa pin. There's serrated. Springs, see how they're all basic springs, it looks like. Alright, let me see. There it is. No. There it is. I found it. And a spool. Okay. Sorry about that. Yep. All the chambers have been threaded. So someone has been into the top of it. I thought that's what that was. Okay, so here's 5-pin Dom Euro half cylinder. All the key pins have been serrated. Spool. This one is a unique pen with that little sharp hat on it. Then we got, I call those serrated barrels, and this one looks like an ASA pen, and then a serrated pen. Okay, that's it for this lock. So thanks for watching. Be good, be legal, be safe. Please subscribe. Thanks again. Fellas, have a good day. Thanks.